How to play Need for Speed online. If you want to race real players and join live events, here is how to play Need for Speed on your phone. So let's get started. Open your Need for Speed application. Open the game and let it load fully. Online features will automatically active once you are connected. Tap onto the social media events, breezing rivals or multiplayer. These modes requires an internet connection. To save your progress online, link your account to Game Center's Facebook or EA accounts. Users can simply tap on play button which is down. You can choose on campaign, special mode, Turner, Tails Locked, Car Series, any of the given features. Tap on it and enter the game and you can simply play the game. And that's how you go online in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.